Hey everyone, I'm celebrity trainer Holly Rollinger. Right now, I'm gonna walk you through a modified plank. You ready? You wanna start in a push-up position and rest your weight on your forearms. Drop your knees and hold. You want those elbows directly below your shoulders. They should form 90-degree angles with your forearms. You want to tighten through your core, but don't forget to breathe. Inhale and exhale. So we have the basics for the modified plank down. So now let's try to do it together. So come down to the ground, go to your knees, and walk yourself out so that your elbows are directly under your shoulders. Now once you're here, I want you to tighten up everything from your glutes, your quads, on up to your abs. Just hold and make sure you're breathing. Breathe deeply, you got this. And then release. So we just did that for 10 seconds, but here's what I want you to try at home. Try for 10, see if you can build to 20 and 30, and let's let our goal be to one day do it for 1 minute.